Good morning, ma'am. My name is Impana Patil. I am studying in class 3C. Today, I am going to talk about a creature which has feathers, wings, that easily flies. Can you guess? Bird. Birds chirp. Did you see? It is feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. In this video, let's get to know about types of feathers. There are 3 types of feathers. First one is down feathers. First type, down feathers. These are small and fluffy. They cover the entire body of a bird and keep it warm. Second type, flight feathers. These are found in the wings and the tail. They help the birds to fly. Third type, body feathers. They cover the entire body of a bird and give it a shape.